Woman finds explicit pictures on phone after repairs. Mrs. Wu bought a black market Sony smartphone this May in Tai Po, Hong Kong. She sent it to the store for repairs on September 1st and got it back on September 25th. But she was surprised to find explicit pictures and sexual text messages on her phone. Turns out the phone's IMEI number was different than the one Mrs. Wu originally bought. The receipt shows the motherboard was changed, but the serial number was crossed off. There are suspicions that the repair center replaced the motherboard with a used one, and that the staff had also used her phone while it was being repaired. The repair center is investigating the case and is willing to offer Mrs. Wu a brand new phone. However, she has rejected the offer, saying she no longer trusts the repair center.